बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। Honorable Chief Guest, respectable teachers and dear fellows. Today the topic of my speech is the role played by our revolutionary teachers and responsibilities of students. उस्ताद की अजमत को तराजू में न तोलो, उस्ताद की अजमत को तराजू में न तोलो, उस्ताद तो हर दौर में अनमोल रहा है। Mr. President, today is a special day because we are here to celebrate our amazing teachers on Teachers' Day. Teachers are like superheroes. We help us to learn and grow every day. Mr. President, our teachers are not only knowledgeable but in math, science and language. And also teach us valuable life lessons. They help us become better versions of ourselves. Mr. President, teachers make a school fun or exciting place. They come up with creative ways to teach us like games and activities. They make sure that we understand to everything. They are always available to answer our questions. Mr. President, on this special day, let's take a moment to thank to you all teachers for being so wonderful. They work so hard, make sure success and achieve our dreams. We are lucky to have such incredible teachers in our lives. Mr. President, on this day, I want to remind my fellow students of the responsibility we have towards our teachers. Let's make a promise to respect and appreciate every single day. Let's be attentive in class, complete our homework in time, and show our appreciation. So hard work. So, with these words, जो इल्म का अलम है उस्ताद की अता है, हाथों में जो कलम है उस्ताद की अता है, जो फिक्र ताज़ा दम है उस्ताद की अता है, उनकी अता से चमका हातिम का नाम कहना, उनकी अता से चमका वफ़ादार का नाम कहना, उस्ताद मोहतरम को मेरा सलाम कहना।
पयाम कहना उस्ताद मोहतरम को मेरा सलाम कहना। दोस्तों मिले तो बस एक पयाम कहना उस्ताद मोहतरम को मेरा सलाम कहना।